Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can easily download specific company's historical data from Yahoo Finance. Let's get started. Open the Yahoo Finance app and log into your account and see this option market. Click on that and choose whatever you want, which company you want to select. Like for example, I want to download historical data of Nvidia. I will click on the Nvidia stocks and scroll down, and you will see the financial option. Click on that. Now scroll down again. Here you can see the historical data. Click on that, view more. Now you don't able to see the download option because I am recording this in the laptop. You are in a mobile phone, you can see here a download option. So click on that and you can able to download all the financial history of Nvidia company. So if you like this video, thank for watching.